Hi, my name's Angela, and I'm going to be doing some fun makeup today. I'm going to be doing something a little different than your everyday look. It's going to be a little bit more theatrical, a little bit more color explosion on your face, which I think is fun. I don't know about you, but I just have fun playing with makeup for hours and hours. And I figured there's plenty of makeup tutorials on how to do a really fun glam look or how to do a fun everyday look, how to do like the best natural look, the no makeup, the smoky eye, all that stuff. Why not do something a little different? Do something like explosion with makeup. It's like the band Explosions in the Sky, but explosions of color on your face. Yes. But I'm gonna be doing I have a little concept drawing. I like concept drawings, so here it is. Please do not judge my drawing capabilities. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. Disclaimer, I am not a professional makeup artist. I just am a person who loves makeup. So please, if I'm using a brush wrong or using a tool wrong, oh well, I figure as long as it gets the result that I want, then we're good, And I just have fun doing makeup. So we're gonna do makeup I like doing, because let's get into it. Please grab some tea, a drink, a glass of wine, a snack, your animal. Let's get started. Woo! Why, hello there, it's voiceover Angela here. The hardest part about this look is that you gotta have the courage and the bravery to just put that dark blue eyeshadow on your forehead, because that's step one. I chose this look to be my first video because it's not that technically hard. It just helps build confidence and makes you comfortable with putting eyeshadow and colors in places that it doesn't usually get put. It's a wild look, but that's not bad, Makeup has been categorized to making someone pretty, and it has this social construct of being something that is meant for someone who is vain or a little bit shallow, or something of that nature. And one thing I think we need to all remember, that makeup is just about having fun. It's about expressing yourself. It's about doing what makes you happy. And this kind of thing makes me happy, so. But the point is no matter what kind of makeup you're doing, have fun with it. Whether it's some wild look that you're not gonna wear outside, or that you're not gonna necessarily use as an everyday look or wear every day, it's all about having fun and being able to express yourself in whatever way you want to do that. Whether it's having a lot of glitter on your face, or having a ton of highlight, or using that one makeup product that just makes you feel good. It's just about having fun and enjoying yourself and expressing you for who you are. That's what makeup's all about. Having fun, having a good time, and being yourself. well, here we have it, the finished look. What do we think? Let me know down below. I don't know, I thought this would be a good look to start on just because if you are ever interested in doing anything like this, it's pretty easy to do. It's not super precise. You just kind of like dab colors here and there and go in a circle around the eye and do whatever you want to the lid. You could bring the color onto the lid and blend it out down there, or you could do what I did and I just put black over it to like make the eyes really pop. But whatever you'd like. And I do have a cat on my lap. She's very sweet. Oh, you can see her. Oh, isn't she a cutie? But yeah, it was a lot of fun doing this. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe to my channel, like the video. Yeah, and let me know what you'd like to see next time or at some point in the future. This was fun. Yeah, all right. Have a good one. See you in the next one.